Have you ever felt like your mind was stuck in a loop, replaying a traumatic event over and over again? Or maybe you've experienced sudden panic in situations that remind you of a past crisis? If so, you're not alone. Millions of people worldwide grapple with the effects of trauma on their mental health. But what exactly happens in our brains when we experience post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of neuroscience to uncover how trauma reshapes our minds. Welcome to the Brain Talk Sessions YouTube channel. Your journey to a healthier mind starts here, where we share psychology explained for everyday life. In recent years, global awareness of PTSD has grown significantly. We now understand that it's not just veterans who suffer from this condition, but anyone who has faced intensely stressful life events. By framing PTSD as a common issue, we're taking important steps to reduce the stigma surrounding it. It's crucial to emphasize that PTSD isn't a sign of weakness or a character flaw. Instead, it's a brain-based response, essentially, an overactive survival system. Our goal today is to explore what happens inside the brain during PTSD, helping you understand the biological side of this mental health condition. So, what exactly is PTSD? It's a mental health condition that develops after highly stressful or traumatic events. Key symptoms can include re-experiencing memories, avoiding reminders of the trauma, feeling constantly on high alert, and experiencing changes in mood or sleep patterns. In countries like the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia, research shows that millions of people experience PTSD at some point in their lives. This highlights just how relevant and widespread this issue is. It's important to distinguish between normal stress reactions and PTSD. While it's common to feel stressed after a major event, PTSD is characterized by symptoms that last longer and significantly interfere with daily life. This distinction helps us understand why some people develop PTSD while others don't, even after similar experiences. Now, let's delve into how trauma affects key regions of the brain. First, there's the amygdala, which acts as the brain's alarm system. In PTSD, the amygdala becomes overactive, creating strong fear responses even in safe situations. This explains why individuals with PTSD might feel constantly on edge or react strongly to seemingly minor triggers. Next, we have the hippocampus, which manages memory and context. Stress can reduce its efficiency, which is why memories associated with trauma may feel fragmented or confusing. This disruption in memory processing can make it challenging for individuals to piece together their experiences coherently. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for regulating emotions and logical thinking, may become less active in PTSD. This makes it harder to calm down the alarm signals from the amygdala, leading to difficulties in emotional regulation and decision-making. Understanding these brain changes helps us see that PTSD symptoms aren't just in someone's mind, but are rooted in actual biological alterations. This scientific perspective can be incredibly validating for those struggling with PTSD and can help reduce self-blame. The neurochemistry of PTSD is equally fascinating. Stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline typically rise in response to danger. In PTSD, their balance is disrupted, keeping the body on high alert even when there's no immediate threat. Additionally, neurotransmitter imbalances affecting serotonin and dopamine levels can impact mood and motivation. These chemical changes explain why PTSD can feel so overwhelming at times, with the brain and body stuck in a constant state of stress. Let's break down how these brain changes manifest as symptoms. The vivid re-experiencing of traumatic memories is linked to the abnormal functioning of the amygdala and hippocampus. This can make past experiences feel incredibly real and present, even years after the event. Emotional numbness, another common symptom, may occur when the prefrontal cortex shuts down certain feelings as a protective mechanism. This can lead to a sense of detachment from oneself and others. Sleep problems arise from an overactive stress system, making it difficult for the brain to enter a restful state. Concentration issues and memory problems can be attributed to disrupted brain connectivity, affecting focus and short-term memory. By connecting each symptom with its underlying brain science, we can better understand and destigmatize PTSD. It's not a matter of willpower or strength, it's about very real changes in brain function that require proper treatment and support. The good news is that healing the brain after trauma is possible. Structured therapeutic approaches like cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, eye movement desensitization and reprocessing, EMDR, and gradual exposure therapy have shown effectiveness in treating PTSD. These therapies work by helping the brain process traumatic memories and develop new, healthier neural pathways. In some cases, medication may be prescribed to help balance brain chemistry and alleviate symptoms. Additionally, lifestyle strategies play a crucial role in recovery. Regular exercise, mindfulness practices, maintaining good sleep hygiene, and nurturing supportive relationships all contribute to strengthening the brain's ability to heal. One of the most encouraging aspects of PTSD treatment is the concept of neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form new connections and adapt. This means that with the right interventions and support, individuals can indeed recover and build resilience. Real-life examples of PTSD recovery are both inspiring and informative. Many veterans have benefited from therapy and structured support systems, gradually reclaiming their lives from the grip of trauma. Civilians who have experienced accidents, natural disasters, or other crises have also found healing through appropriate interventions. While we won't delve into specific personal stories out of respect for privacy, it's important to recognize that recovery is possible for people from all walks of life. Looking to the future, PTSD treatment continues to evolve. Brain imaging technologies may soon allow for more personalized treatment plans, tailoring interventions to each individual's unique brain patterns. Virtual reality therapy offers promising opportunities for creating safe environments where individuals can gradually face their triggers under controlled conditions. Artificial intelligence is also making its mark, with apps and chatbots providing accessible support worldwide. This technology has the potential to bridge gaps in mental health care, especially in areas where traditional resources may be limited. Innovative research continues to explore new methods for improving trauma recovery, keeping the field dynamic and hopeful. As we wrap up our exploration of PTSD and the brain, let's recap the key points. PTSD is essentially the brain's survival system stuck on high alert, but science shows that recovery is possible. With therapy, support, and healthy habits, many people can regain balance and improve their quality of life. We'd love to hear from you. What part of the brain science we discussed today surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on psychology and neuroscience. Remember, understanding our minds is the first step towards better mental health. Until next time, take care of your amazing brain.